Hi friends, if you are in plan for making a website for driving school, this video is exactly for you. I have a perfect WordPress theme in this video called Driving School, and it is a specific category WordPress theme for driving schools, so it is a perfect choice for this category. You can see the demo on your screen, and it is having all the features for driving school website, and it is having of course a stunning look with all featured, all pages and system with this, and you can see the wonderful design and the content management. So everything is perfect, and the pricing structure is also here, and the courses can be added, maybe driving courses, and photo gallery also had been given on the very home page, and the instructors and the contact us page, inquiry page, everything is here. So inquiry is also given in the top of the slider, and the other pages, if we talk about the other pages, so we can check the features page, and it is also having a very aesthetic and clean look, to the point approach, and okay, fine, it is good one. So in this video we are going to install the driving school WordPress theme along with the demo content and the theme customization options. We will go for the previewing the theme customization options and rest of options available in this theme, and the theme has been developed by Noxon Themes, and they are elite authors. The theme was developed actually in 2017, and regular updates for this theme is also being done, so we can consider this theme as updated version for the latest version compatible with the latest version of WordPress. So you can choose this theme, and it is technically updated, and I have seen the code quality as well. So this is why this theme has been brought on this channel, as all themes and plugins and utilities has been well selected and tested for this channel and for you as well. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress with me, in which the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have documentation, the main theme file and the child theme file. To begin the installation, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose the driving school.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly to WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I will be able to show you the theme file size, and this is the theme file size, 11.14 MB, just 11.14 MB. It is a well optimized theme, and it is having a lightweight in theme size as well. So this is going to work fast on your website, and the speed of website will be good with this theme. And once the progress bar turns 100% with green, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. This is the uploaded file, and now I am extracting it, and the extraction outcome is this driving school folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files are here. So okay, wonderful. And now we can delete the zip one. We have already extracted it. It was just consuming the server space. Okay, fine. So we are good to go in the theme section again, and both activities are same of uploading theme. You can either use the WordPress interface or directly on your hosting. So I have chosen to upload on hosting. Don't get confused. So you have to choose only one. And now we have another theme choice as Driving School with us, and let us check the details. This is Driving School version 1.4.9 by Nexon Themes, and now we can activate it. Upon activation, it is saying that we need to install certain plugins. Let us see what are the plugins. Okay, only 2 plugins are required for this theme. It is wonderful that it has less dependency on plugins, so this is going to be another advantage for your website. Okay, so I am installing both the plugins in one go, and both plugins have been installed and activated successfully. Simply click on dashboard to check whether it needs further customization or whatever. So it got landed on the welcome page of WP Bakery page builder. Okay, good. So we have installed the theme and all plugins, so we can take a look of our website how it looks with the theme and plugin. Okay, good. So this is the core look of Driving School WordPress theme, and it is of course without any content, I mean with demo content, without any demo content. So we have target website like this. So at this stage we need to have demo content for this, and the demo content importer is laying under the appearance option. Import demo data is here, and we have this choice. So all existing data will be deleted. Okay, so we are having a fresh website, we have nothing to worry, and simply click on import demo data, and now it is going up. And okay, so import was successful. Reactivate all plugins. So okay, what we got in the installation, let us check what demo is here. So it is amazing, I cannot believe in just 2 or 3 seconds all the demo data imported. I have never seen this, and we have complete website with us with the images, and really it is wonderful. So complete website is here, we have nothing to do, just we need to put the original content here, and your website will be fine to go live. And really I have not seen the demo import so smooth as in this theme. So it is also unavailable for me, and it is really going to work fine on the website as well. So this is the about us page, features. Okay, so wonderful, and the website speed is really very good without any cache plugin, so it is working in lightning speed. Okay, wonderful. So we got a wonderful website in this activity, and the Driving School WordPress theme has been successfully installed along with the demo content. Let us see what controls we got in the WordPress installation. Okay, so database update is required. Simply click on update and continue, and we got teachers here in additional feature, and reviews is here, and some custom fields are here. So I'll show you everything, and rest of things can be handled through customize. So I'll show you everything. So teachers are here. So this is the teachers where teachers can be added, and I'll show you the fields. Okay, it is simple, and the teachers detail can be filled here, and images and all such things are here. So it is good, and the advanced custom fields is here. I believe it is not being used. Okay, and now we can check the customize option, how we can customize the basic settings. So these are the customize option under the WordPress customize option itself. This is the setting, and you can change the logo and rest of things. Header things are here, and header options, footer, subscription, contact forms, site identity, colors. So header text color and background colors can be changed. Header image, background image, menu widgets, homepage setting, and additional CSS. So all controls we got in the customization option itself, and it is really a simple and useful theme for this driving school category. And I have shown you all the features what are available in the theme, and now I'll show you how to edit the page contents just in case using the WP Bakery page builder. Simply click on, let us assume we are going to edit the home page itself. So simply click on edit with WP Bakery page builder, and I'll advise you to take a backup of at least for home page if you are going to edit, so that just in case you made any mistake, you should be able to restore the home page. And now the front end editor is here, and simply click on the pencil icon. You shall be able to edit the content. So this is slides and text upon the slide. You can change the images and text, and this is form. Okay, so form is here, so I'll show you the form. Category type, driving time, and all such things has been given here. Okay, so good, every control is here, driving time and all, and click on the pencil icon again if you want to. So everything is simple, and even a non-technical person can do this easily. And I'll show you the backend editor as well. This is being the backend editor, and the sections are very clear. So click on the section which you want to edit, and you will be fine to edit. And you can also remove or add section from here. So everything is in your control. Now you are good to go for your website, and I am adding the link of my website where you can get this theme and get in touch with me directly for your questions. Just leave a reply there on the page and get the theme. If you need, hosting is also available there, so nothing to find anywhere else. All is here, and you can make a wonderful website using this theme as we did in this activity, and our website is fine. So I believe you have already subscribed this channel, and I shall be bringing wonderful themes, utilities and plugin for you. Thanks for watching.